Alright, we got the hitch on, the old battery that I'm going to trade in, tools, a telescoping ladder just in case I need it, and then here are the sway bars for the distribution hitch. Let's go get the RV. Alright, we're here doing a walk around. Something must have happened. My tongue jack is off the blocks that I had it on, and therefore my two stabilizer jacks are bent. I have a feeling, I wasn't sure if I actually used my my X chocks, but if I didn't, it got windy the past couple of days, so something may have happened. Let's see how long this is going to take for us to get out of here. I think first things first, let's just take the cover off and install the battery. That way we can raise the tongue jack. I can hook it up, and we'll go from there. Alright, situation report. So I got here and I noticed that things were a little bit off. It looks like something happened and tipped my trailer forward. The tongue jack came off of the blocks, so it probably leaned forward, and then the stabilizer jacks probably leaned forward too. Therefore, the front two are done. The back two also have issues. So chalk it up to all four stabilizer jacks are gone. So I'll have to replace those. But from the exterior side of things, looks like that's the only thing. So I will consider myself a little bit lucky there. Also, I forgot the tool for the sway bars. So sway bars are not on, but I'm not too worried. The tire pressure is looking okay. The battery install went well, so that's all good. So yeah, a couple of things I definitely forgot. Had to take time to take off the front stabilizer jacks because they were so shot. They were not gonna retract. The rear ones actually retracted. So that was good. The front ones couldn't, so thank goodness I brought my tool so then we could take the front ones off. The back ones, even though it did retract, it was struggling. I can't imagine using those at an RV park because, you know, I don't know how stable they're gonna be anyway. The only thing that I could point to is that we had some high winds the other day, and maybe it just got pushed off, and I probably should have used my X-Chocks. But the reason I didn't use my X-Chocks because I was afraid that it was going to get stolen. So I don't know. It's hard to explain. I'm not sure what would have caused it to tip forward. But it looks like the tongue jack is still okay. And I'm glad there's like the only damage were to the stabilizer jacks. Tire pressure monitoring system is working well. I had my doubts after a Minnesota winter, but the main unit was charged via solar, so now it's full, and the transmitter had been sitting outside in the cold all winter, but once I attached it to the battery, perked up just fine. I guess the lithium batteries in all 4 of the sensors are all working well. You know, it's interesting. I thought it might be a little difficult getting back to the RV for the first time and towing it, but a lot of things kind of just came back like rote memory. Even as I'm driving, I noticed myself paying attention a bit more. Not that I wasn't paying attention before, but really paying attention ahead in terms of watching out for merges, oncoming traffic, and all that stuff, lights, just to make sure I give myself enough space and don't have to do any kind of emergency maneuvers. So far, the drive has been okay. I will say that don't underestimate the weight distribution hitch and the sway bars, because when the wind picks up right now, I can feel it. I'm pretty sure if I had the sway bars, this amount of wind that we have currently, probably wouldn't have as big an impact as it's having now. You know, I know everyone's got their opinions, but my thing is you can never be too careful or too safe. So always recommend